our Texas Capitol. Measuring 302 feet tall from the ground level to the star above the Goddess of Liberty, it's actually 15 feet higher than the U.S. Capitol. It sits on 22 acres full of green spaces and amazing monuments to be enjoyed by all Texans. But let's not delay. It's time to head inside.
Oh, man. There's a feeling you get walking into the Capitol. I mean, there is a famous painting of the surrender of Santa Anna. You walk past Sam Houston, Stephen F. Austin, and then into the Capitol Rotunda.
With the Six Flags of Texas below your feet and the Lone Star high above your head, this is the Texas wow moment. And standing here is one of my favorite things to do in the Capitol.
Hello. And it echoes into your ear. It's
Texas, our Texas, all hail the mighty state.
Here, look, you have to do it.
The echo off the dome is unreal.
But let's go up.
And if you don't mind climbing some stairs, the best view is at the top.
Oh, wow. This is awesome. All right, so we are on the 4th level of the Capitol Rotunda. Look at that. And we are up here with the very first governors. And every time a new governor is elected, they have to move the portraits one by one, winding them all the way up to the top floor. So they do offer Capitol Dome tours, which can get you even closer to the star, but we got a very special tour set up for today.
Now, quick civics lesson. Like the federal government, Texas has 3 branches: legislative, judicial, and executive. The legislative branch operates here and consists of 2 co-equal chambers: the Texas House of Representatives, which has 150 members, and the Texas Senate with 31 members. Now, the highest ranking official of them both, who also happens to be our day's tour guide, Lieutenant Governor Dan Patrick.
Took you long enough to get here.
We've been a few places. We're in your office? This is your private office?
Well, it's the people's office. You know, who's ever lieutenant governor is just borrowing it for, for 4 years at a time.
Right.
But, I love when people come to the Capitol because it's something they'll always remember.
Oh, yeah.
It's kind of cool.
And while he may be simply passing through, he's definitely added his own personal touches to the office.
What are these?
I'm a big collector, so I have every presidential signature, all original signatures.
Really?
For fellow history nerds, it's an amazing collection.
This is a cannonball from the Alamo, not the movie.
No,
That's all right.
Huh?
12 pounds. There you go.
Okay, yeah, not bad.
Lieutenant Governor Patrick has a deep love for all things Texas, including the building where he works. As Lieutenant Governor, his job is to oversee the Senate. So in a way, the Senate chamber is his real office.
Oh, wow. I've been in here a handful of times, and every time I'm just amazed.
I've been in the Senate since '07, and there's never a time that I walk in here and I don't pinch myself for having the privilege of being a senator or the lieutenant governor. I travel and see capitals all over the country. There's nothing like this. And look up. Notice something in the lights?
I see a star. Oh, and TEXAS.
Right.
I love it.
These are all the original desks, so they've been there since the 1800s.
Since the 1800s.
So let me take you up to the dais.
Man. Oh, this ain't
So here
bad.
you go. So pick up the gavel.
You kidding me?
It's all yours. It's all yours.
It's like Thor's hammer.
And you have to hit it pretty good now.
Oh!
No, like it.
Oh, okay. All right, even more. The Day Tripper Senate will now come to order. The Day Tripper recognizes Senator Day Tripper. Yes, well, on behalf of myself and my constituents, basically just the crew, we wanted to let you know that you're doing a fantastic job hosting this episode. Yes, thank you very much. Your point is well taken and recognized. Adjourn! There's a lot of power in that.
A lot of power.
Yeah. When it's your last session, you can start putting, Texas cantaloupes here.
Absolutely,
and just
everything. What was that comedian? What was that
Go
comedian?
full Gallagher.
Yeah, full Gallagher.
Yeah.
Put a watermelon up there.
Jalapenos, just all over everybody.
Probably why they don't let me do this professionally. And having worked here for years, Lieutenant Governor knows all the secrets of this building.
The other thing, Chet, is there are all types of secret doors and secret passages.
Oh, come on.
Shortcuts everywhere.
If I touch stuff or little panels, things open.
Yeah, you and the ghost.
Yeah.
We'll save the ghost stories for a different episode.
So you're on the Senate side. Do you ever go over to this side of the Capitol?
seldom, it's a whole nother world over there. You know, the great people in the house, you know, it's 150 members, you know, we're 31. There's a lot of wood and lights on the board, green and red lights when they vote. I like to say that's kind of like the bowling alley over there. It's a lot of, they have everything but French fries on their desk. And over here, it's more like the racket club. You know, we're just kind of taking our time, you know, it's very collegial.
You know, a little friendly rivalry might actually help get things done. And there was a time when the legislature also shared this building with the courts.
So Chet, this room is the original Supreme Court, and it has more original furnishings than any other place in the Capitol.
Well, I had no idea the Supreme Court actually met within the Capitol building.
You know, back in the early days of Texas, this was the center of government. It's where we kept the money, it's where government met.
One building to do it all.
Every part of this Capitol holds something to see, like the vault in the basement. In the reference library, you'll find a treasure trove of historic books. And in the corner, the desk where Santa Anna sat while he was held captive after San Jacinto. I mean, all the paintings from our history books are on the walls. You could truly wander these halls for hours.
And I'm reminded as you walk through the halls and see all these folks that have served, you're here for a short time, really. No one will remember who you were when they walk by your photograph, but it's what you do here makes a difference. And every day I come to work, I love it.
Well, hey, thank you so much.
Hey, thank you for coming.